Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here with a special treat for you today. Today we're going to be doing our ocean breath, and looky there, we're doing it in front of the ocean. So hope that provides some nice relaxing wave sounds and some beautiful sunshine here in Southern California. So join me as we do our ocean breath, even if you're not near an ocean right now. All right, in our ocean breath, we're gonna begin by sitting or standing in that mountain pose. So if you're seated, your feet will be down in front of you, your back will be straight, your shoulders back, your head reaching tall. I'm currently in my standing mountain, so my feet are about fist width apart, my shoulders are back, my head is reaching tall. And from here, we're gonna first take a deep breath in through our nose. So with our ocean breath, we're gonna breathe in through our nose, and then as we exhale, we're gonna whisper out the sound, kind of like you're fogging up a mirror, right? So it's not a loud but it's a fogging of the mirror whisper through your mouth as you breathe out. So let's try that together. In through your nose, and then out through your mouth, fogging up that mirror in front of you. Good. This time, when we inhale through our nose, we're then going to exhale, keeping our mouth closed as we make that sound, but this time with our mouth closed. All right? So let's try that together. Inhale through the nose, and now as we exhale, we're gonna make that same sound but with our mouth shut. Good. Slowly breathe back in through your nose, keeping the back of your throat slightly constricted. If you listen carefully when you do this, you'll hear the sound of ocean waves, and not just the ocean behind me, but the ocean wave sound you're making in your mouth. So let's try that again together. We're gonna inhale through our nose. We're gonna exhale that sound with our mouth shut, and then with it still kind of in the back of our throat, we're going to breathe it back in through our nose. All right, try it with me. In through your nose. Exhale with your mouth shut. Breathe it back in through your nose. Feeling your throat slightly constricted. And maybe you heard that ocean sound. You can try it again and again until you really get it down where that with your mouth shut, the makes that ocean sound in your throat. It's really neat, and you'll find that the better you get at this ocean breath, the more calming and peaceful and centering it is. Ocean breath is a great breath to calm our body, to center us, to get us focused before we do some really important work. Now, a couple of additional tips with our ocean breath. When you do ocean breath, try it by closing your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And when you do that, begin to also imagine that you can see an ocean, just like the one behind me. And imagine those ocean waves crashing into the beach each time you exhale. It might really help deepen the breath and increase that focus and attention. Every time you exhale, you imagine those waves crashing, and then each of your inhales, you imagine that flow of the ocean water back out to sea. When you really focus on that sound, you'll get an even deeper connection to this breath. So keep trying ocean breath. We like to do ocean breath for about a minute or two at a time. So do it more times, keep practicing it. Remember, really getting that sound down, but with your mouth closed. And then before you let it go, inhale it back in, and you'll really start to feel it, and you'll really start to notice the increased focus, the increased calmness, and hey, maybe you'll even feel like you're at an ocean. Thanks for joining me today for Ocean Breath. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.